Okay, after the two LED strip light connected, now we can use the controller to see the effect. First, take out the poly bag, and the important is, please note the bottom of the controller. You must take out this like this. Now you can use the controller. Let's light up the RGB LED strip light. Okay. There are many colorful buttons on the controller. You can use the controller. You can use the button to control the light effect. You can also see the speed of them. Okay.